Hi, how are you? Welcome to MFS. Let's get into today's story. Kelly Kamala went to the El Tito podcast to talk about her non-existing co-parenting with her baby daddies and how they are not present in their kids' lives. She opened up about how difficult it has been raising her children alone and made it clear that she receives no support from the fathers of her kids. Kelly mentions the fact that her baby daddies are useless because they are not fighting to be in their kids' lives, and that they are not even paying for child support. She says as a mother, she's had to carry all the responsibility on her own, emotionally and financially, while the fathers have simply disappeared. She particularly threw shade at Jube Jub, who has mentioned several times that Kelly doesn't allow him to see his kid. Kelly made it clear that, in her opinion, if a man really wants to be in his child's life, he should fight for that right, go to court if he has to, take legal action, and prove that he truly wants to be a father. What Kelly wants is for baby daddies to fight to be in their kids' lives. If need be, take her to court for a custody battle. She believes that if they cared enough, they would do whatever it takes to be part of their children's upbringing. Jube Jub has response to all of this. This is what he had to say.
A lot of social media posts and comments and stuff about what the mother of my child has been saying now. So, awuqala Kate Nonhlanhla ngifake ukuthi because I understand what you're trying to do, ngizama ukuyibhekisisa kahle, ngizama ukuyibuka kahle, ngibone into lezomuyenza. But firstly, I'd like to thank you for raising up my boy at a time that I couldn't, when I was locked up. I'd like to thank you for being a great mother, Guya. And I'd like to thank you for being present when I was not there and when I was still trying to get up on my feet. However, I don't like Lento Lewenzayo. Don't do that and lie about me and assassinate my character. Bese ngimangele ukuthi unyaka ngaphela ungathi shoot this, shoot that, shoot this, shoot that. Yabo? Stop it. Angithanda things. Don't do it. I shoot this, stop it. Ngithanda. Yekela lento leyo ukuthi mawubheke uboy uthi ukhumbuza mina, so ubheke uboy with anger. What do you think my son is thinking when he grows up and starts looking at the videos that you've been making, talking about his father like that and blah 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 blah? Angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi and whatnot. Kelly, you and I both know what court is like, and it says ukuthi yababa yabanda, it's hard for the bosoms, yabo? So I don't want to be putting my boy through that, going to court. Afana no mama no baba going to court. I don't want to do that. You know how many times I've tried to get a hold of you to try and get Uboy. Number two, you know how many times your sister, Ukumete, and your mother have been trying to talk about Endaba Yoguti, Uboy, Sigaslangane, Azi, Nibe, the freedom of Utimbo Uboy. And that's why Ulokubambele Uboy, Umfage Portelini, Ngati AI, we control and Christians also Portelini. Again, once Inganyami, EAI, stop it, man. Stop it. It's not nice, it's not fair. Let Uboy come back. Ungathi I'm dead be dead. Ahamba uyabula ama podcast nyana la wakho ukhuluma ngami. I understand ukuthi makhuluma ngami obviously uzoba uha. Then wonke umuntu odlingana. Bona laba bantu abakhomenta ukuthi odlingana bayondliwa bona. Whether they ever want that. Bazongena indaba engasiza. Mina ngisifaka indabeni zabantu ngiyafakwa. There's a difference. So don't do that. Don't do that. So many times I've wanted to pay damages. So many times I've wanted to get Moses. So many times I've wanted to do the right things in a scene too. You've been locking me out, and I tell you, from the time Sase jail, I would bring my coin. From the time I was locked up, I've been sending gifts to Efoslo every Christmas, every December, every birthday. You know what Christian's first gift was? I used to send Pablo to come and drop them off. I've got receipts to 15 or 2014. So please don't make me look like a deadbeat father. I'm alive, I'm kicking, I've been wanting Christian. Christian has never told at me. I've even gone on podcasts and done all those things. I've made wrong mistakes trying to get people to help me. So useless. That's fine if I'm useless, it's okay. Please bring Uboy, because we did try to go to court, did we not? You rejected that. Your moodly lawyer, Lowe Gula, you and her ignored us. I do not want to go that way. So stop making me a deadbeat father like Manji Nyahlani. It's not right. Stop it. Stop it. I'm going to doing I need to prove it. Up until you started sending my gifts back from 2015 or 2014. So please don't make me look like a deadbeat father. I'm alive, I'm kicking, I've been wanting Christian Christian has never told me. I've even gone on podcasts and done all those things. I've made wrong mistakes trying to get people to help me. So that's fine if I'm useless. It's okay. Please bring up boy, because we did try to go to court, did we not? You rejected it. Your moody lawyer, you and her ignored us. I do not want to go that way. So stop making me a deadbeat father. It's not right. Stop. Thank you very much for taking care of Christian. Can I please have my son back? I'm live and kicking. He's not AI. Maybe, whatnot. Stop making him AI.
Comment your thoughts down below and let me know what you think about this whole situation. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this story. I'll chat with you later.